We are at Grace James Academy, and I am donating my trumpet to a student of theirs. Hello, are you Micah? Yes. So Micah, my name is Kiana, and I played trumpet for very many years, and I heard that you were in need of a trumpet of your own. So I would like to donate my trumpet to you so that you have an instrument to play permanently.
Thank you.
You're so welcome.
It makes me feel very represented, and it makes me feel good to know that there's other girls like me out there.
As a young Black woman in jazz, I wanted to make sure that it went to another aspiring young Black jazz player. Us women in the music industry are few and far between. So always want to represent, always want to support and make sure that I'm passing along the privilege that I had as a kid.
It's a really big deal because I didn't get an instrument until after I graduated college. Being able to just take that barrier out, no matter where Micah goes to school for high school, if she stays or if she goes somewhere else, she doesn't have to worry about, well, I have to find an instrument. She's got one and she can go very far with it.
With jazz, it's it dates back to history and just culturally being Black. I'm usually around a lot of jazz. That's what we play in my family.
I played this for many, many years, starting when I was 16 years old in high school jazz band all the way up through college. I know that it's going into good hands with you. So thank you so much.
Thank you. My mom, she already asked me. She's like, Micah, play the trumpet for me.